friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be giving you 5 suggestions that I think will help you if you're someone who wants to start building the habit of reading, or if you're someone who reads but not very often and wants to become a regular reader. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. The first thing is build the habit slowly and don't rush. So if you start reading 200 to 300 pages all of a sudden, then chances are high that you will get bored and tired and get frustrated. So instead of that, start reading 15 to 20 pages a day, or 5 pages a day, or even 1 page a day. 1 page a day is fine. It's okay to read 1 page a day, and it's important to enjoy what you're reading, and it doesn't matter how many pages you read. So read 1 page a day for several days, and then once you are adjusted to reading, then you can slowly start increasing the pages you read or increase the time that you spend on reading. So that way, even if you are someone who doesn't usually get time for reading, can read books. The second thing is be consistent. If you read for a day and then don't read for few more days, then you end up forgetting what you have read, and an activity becomes a habit only if you consistently follow it for a long period of time. So it doesn't matter how many pages you read, but be consistent. So try to read every day, even if it is a half page or a page, it doesn't matter. So try to read every day without miss. The third thing is pick the genre and method of reading that you think you will like. So if you're someone, let's say, who loves romance movies, so then there is high chance that you will like a romance novel. Same goes with thrillers or fantasies. So pick the genre you think you will like, and also the method of reading, that is if you like physical books or e-books or even listening to audiobooks. So let me tell about myself. I used to read only thriller novels and of only certain authors, and then I wanted to explore, and then I read one fantasy series and I loved it, and I started reading more fantasy novels, and then I wanted to try sci-fi novels, non-fiction, and at last I wanted to try romance, because I used to think I don't love romance novels, I would not love romance novels, but then I ended up loving it. So if you think you will love romance novels, then pick that. Or if you think or if you're someone who loves fantasy movies, thriller movies, then go for that. And I love reading physical books. Yes, I do read ebooks and I listen to audiobooks, but I do prefer physical books. I love the feel of a book in my hand. So you decide which genre you would like to start with and which method of reading you want to start with. So once you get the hang of reading, then you can experiment and explore. You can try different types of reading, different genres, and once you know that no matter what happens, no matter how many books you dislike, you will still love reading, then you can start exploring and experimenting. The fourth thing is don't put pressure on yourself. So this is quite related to consistency. Yes, being consistent is very important, but if you're someone who is very busy, and if you're so busy that you're unable to read for 2-3 days, then it's okay. We all have good and bad days, so if you're unable to read for few days, it doesn't matter, but then don't let it go on for a very long time. So once your days are better, immediately get back to the routine and start reading. The fifth and the last thing is don't expect too much from a book. So don't think that you will read a book and fall in love with reading. No, it might happen, but if it doesn't happen, don't be disappointed. It's a continuous process and it doesn't happen overnight. So if you don't like one book, then read another, change genres, change methods of reading. Even after doing all these things, if you still do not enjoy reading, then you can decide whether you want to continue reading or not. But I'm sure you will fall in love with one or the other book. So these are the things that I wanted to share with you guys. So if you liked this video and found this video helpful, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.